What is going on, guys? The Mint Garage here, back at it again, another video. In this video, the freaking wiring harness finally came in, and we're installing it in this video. Let's just jump right into it. So as y'all can see, we got the wiring harness right here. Have my buddy custom make it for me. Everything's labeled. It should be fairly easy to install it all. I also have this right here. It's a CAN bus. I believe it's a CAN bus Pro or regular CAN bus, but it allows everything to work inside the 350Z in my dash. Should be a pretty simple setup. Alright, so you guys can see I have some of the harness already laid out onto the car. I already fed the harness through right here where the ECU and stuff like that goes in the CAN bus. The first 3 plugs I have in are right here, going like that. I might route the harness through here and wrap it around, but just see how everything lays out. Bring you guys inside the car really quick. Inside the car, some of the easier things that we're going to do is take the CAN bus module and plug that up, plug what we can into the actual Z, and then we just have to wait for the AEM Infinity 6 ECU to come in a few weeks, and we'll go from there. Alright, give you guys a quick little update. We got the CAN bus Pro already plugged in, zip ties. We're gonna definitely try to clean all this up once the ECU is in the car. We also have it plugged in to the Z right here. And now let's just go to the outside and start working on the engine side of the car. Alright, give y'all a quick update. We have most of everything plugged in. I have the coil packs. I just need to go pick them up. All the injectors plugged in, throttle body, VVTi solenoid. Down there you can see I have the oil pressure sensor not plugged in yet because it's not in, obviously. I'm gonna put grounds, that's not where they're gonna go. IAT sensors in, transmissions plugged in. I just have this plug and this plug left to figure out where they go. So, well, this is for fuel PSI, so that it goes over there, but just that one left. Alright, so you guys see we got everything plugged in. O2 sensor, everything, alternator, VVTi solenoid already went through. Over there is the map sensor. I just need to plug that into, well, I need to put a vacuum line from that to the intake. Manifold. Yeah, everything came out smooth, super easy. Yeah, we have 2 plugs that we didn't need, that we found out that we didn't need. One of them was for AC. This one, I lied. This one's for AC. We obviously don't have AC, it's a race car. And this right here is for
That's your flex fuel.
Yeah, this is flex fuel. I said it backwards. This is flex fuel, not flex fuel yet. This is for AC. Where's the other one?
The original.
This one right here is for the 350Z oil pressure sensor. If I want it to make it work on the dash, we probably will. Just have to tap into the JZ and make it work. It kind of looks crazy right now. Definitely will clean it up at some point. But if it fucking fits, it ships, and we're gonna run it. Just to recap too, the CAN bus is in, everything's plugged in. Just waiting on the ECU now. And that's it. Everything's plugged in. Only thing left now is ECU and fluids. Let me give you guys just another look from where the harness comes out. I have it wrapped around there for now. It splits off. Let me see. It basically splits off underneath this, and goes to all your sensors over here. I've got this right here for boost. It's not hooked up yet. all the injectors. That's for my MAF. I just run a vacuum line from there to there. Everything's plugged in. IAT is plugged in. Oil pressure's not plugged in yet because I need to put the sensor in. I need to drill a hole and tap it to make it bigger. All these sensors right here we're not using. AC, flex fuel, and this one's for VQ oil pressure sensor that will get put in. And then one goes all the way back to the transmission. I know it looks crazy right now. This line that you can see right here, that's going to be taken out, and it's going to go from the brake booster to right there. I'm going to drill a hole, probably like right there, just so it looks way more clean. I'm going to zip tie everything up so it looks a lot better than this. The only thing that I might have to do is, as you can see right here, the fuel pressure sensor is a stretch right now, and it doesn't really look the best, but I could always cut it over there out of the zip tie and then let it run around the top and zip tie it all together, make it look good for the most part. Literally, as long as this thing runs and drives, then after that we can dress that all up and make it look a lot better. But one step closer. All we got left now is the ECU. So like I was saying, all we got left now is the ECU. That's coming. I'm going on a mission for a month, so that's coming. So the ECU, all the fluids, coolant, oil, power steering fluid, a battery. What else we gonna need? We need to wire in some fans because the fans that I got the shroud was too big. It was touching the motor itself, the pulleys, so we need to address that. And then fuel pumps, the ones that I had, they're a little bit too long, so like the fuel filter on the bottom kept touching. It didn't allow it to sit properly. So once those things are done, this car should be running and driving. I'm hoping November for the first start when I come back from this mission. I don't see any reason why we can't get to that point. But that's it for this video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, share your social medias. See you in the next one.